pull up with them racks.
Fell off, went broke, and I bounced right back. Got my money in abundance, my pockets got fat. When you see me, I'm clean, this spit cost a few stacks. Got gas like a tank for the low, I don't tax. Come shot with me once and I bet you come back. My lifestyle is lavish, and I drive fast. I'm a felon, but still ride around with a strap. Draco with the wood and the drum is attached. He claiming he real, but I know where you're at. Smoked him like a wood, turned into a pack. Niggas ain't got a dime, they never sent his stack. And Merc but the low, watch these niggas get mad. She looked and she took, can't get your bitch back. We shopping at Neiman's and shopping at Saks. We taking them trips and we making it back. We hit the strip club and we throwing them racks.
Tell little baby, gon' pull up on me, that's a big. Side got me high like I'm sitting on the jet. But he capping like he him, boy, you fucking with a vet. Yeah, I got it if you want it, I pull up where you at. Big bank tank, little bank, nigga, where you at? Say he got it, but he ain't never pull up with a check. Bitch, I'm poppin', got him coming through the front.
YouTube, what's good? We back with another video. I had to get y'all some footage out here with the guys. You know what time it is. We finna go to this car meet. Yes, sir. Check us out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, I'm on the grind and I'm on the way up. I got the gang with me, so I suggest you just don't play with me. Be cool. We got the center stick scat out. Center stick. Ooh. This one got some detail to it for real. D-bags, I like that. I like that. Louvers. Honeycomb stripes, I like that. I had to point that out. Got a sticker under there. I know where a couple Rex cats at.
I want to find one so that I can take the springs off of it and lower it.
Yeah,
it sits low, like noticeably.
I know where a couple Rex cats at.
What? Maybe put it in. Maybe it's just like
Big Shot Golf right in the background.
we good, huh? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We finna hit this highway and head to this other car meet, man. Talking about those type of angles. Y'all know I'm coming every time. Oh yeah, got that splitter. Little meet action, man. We finna load up here to this other meet. I'm ready when you ready. Take y'all on a ride. Let's get it, let's go. This how we pulling up to the car meet. This how we pulling up to the car meet. This how we pulling up to the car meet. Yup. This how we pulling up to the car meet. Dolo finna pull up any minute. Tight shit, tight shit.
Lights done by yours truly.
Tight shit. Tight shit. Yeah. Yeah. Gang shit, gang shit. Yeah.
Cold the fuck out here, boy.
Yeah. Got more people pulling up. We waiting on one more person. What you say? What you say?
What?
What'd you say?
I don't know where to park, so I'm just
Oh,
parking
yeah, you can park right here. We waiting on Dolo to pull up, and we gone, bro.
What's the black Mustang I raced? That's fine.
Oh, you did race him? I'm finna say, bro, nobody wanna race your Mustang, man. I'll turn your Mustang to a pack.
Lambo, bro.
That Lambo nasty on bro. That Lambo nasty.
A kid owns it. I think a kid.
You gone already?
I got work in the morning.
Okay, ain't nothing wrong with that. Hey, I gotta come see y'all in the morning, bro. I gotta come see y'all in the morning to get tightened up in the rear and in the front, bro. Got about 5 Mustangs over there and 1 Lambo. Hey y'all, 5 Mustangs and 1 Lambo. Go turn one of them Mustangs into a pack for me. I like the way the newer Mustangs body style.
You know, he says TRLs. Yeah. But, no, that, okay, I saw it at Street Car Takeoff. No, it was just.
We pulled up pretty late for real, for real. We pulled up real late.
Where's your car?
I don't got no car. I rode with somebody. I said I don't got no car. I rode with somebody. I'm joking. My car over there.
Where's the decals?
I took the decals off.
That's why we didn't recognize you. Because we were like, that's you, baby. And then we were like, but you don't have the decals. That's not
I
him.
never took the decals off on bro. It looked plain and simple now. I like it.
I like it too.
I like it.
I liked it with the decals, but I think it looks slick without them.
It was real nice with the decals too.
Yes, it was. It was beautiful.
I gotta show you some pictures of what it had. What's good, guys? I'm back. We ended up at Burger King. Didn't get nothing to eat. We here though. Another parking lot takeover. You know what time it is. KT done pulled up. These all strikers, by the way. At Burger King doing a whole bunch of talking. Finna get up out of here though. Nigga rail pulled up. Alright man, I'll let y'all boys. Hold on, let me hold a couple dollars, man. Let me hold a couple dollars, man.
Rent? Who got the goddamn rent
Man,
money?
let me.
Who got the rent money?
Who got the?
Hey,
you
listen.
let him get the rent money?
Listen, we gotta get this money by tomorrow. Hey, you see how brown it is? We gotta get this money by tomorrow.
Gotta figure out a way to get this rent buddy by tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm finna head out though, man.
Alright,
Brody, yeah.
Alright, Brody.
Go on, bro. Love, appreciate it, bro. Stay smooth, bro. Be smooth, man. Take it easy. Uh-oh, there go your boy across the street. There you go. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm gonna take my ass in, man. I'm cool on the night. Y'all be smooth out there, man. Y'all chase y'all dreams, man. Do whatever it takes to get to the next level. If you ain't comfortable where you at, can't nobody change your situation but you. You feel me? Make the best out of your situation, though, man. Y'all have a good night, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share these videos, tell a friend to tell a friend. Appreciate it.